welcome back, guys. Today I am going to be trying to bleed the brake system on my Supra. It's been sitting for so long that all the brake fluid has leaked out of the master cylinder. I do not know if it's leaking on the calipers themselves, so I will be looking at that today, trying to assess what I really need to do as far as getting the brakes working so I can get this car out for a test drive. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Enjoy. Alright, so I got all the wheels off, and now I just need to get to the bleeder valves and break them loose. They are right here. So they require an 8mm end wrench or socket. I like to use an end wrench to just see if air is coming out. Unfortunately, I don't have an 8mm end wrench here at the house, so I'm going to have to just use an 8mm socket. But the gist of it is you just come to it and you break it loose. You can see fluid leaking out of it right now. That's just gravity bleeding right now. So I figured that I'd just try going around gravity bleeding them and see how that does it. If not, then I will have to have my lovely assistant help me out. Anyway, I'm gonna get to it.
I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be.
Alright, so I got my lovely assistant, my wife, here with me. She's going to help me bleed these brakes. So I'm just going to have her hold the brake pedal to the floor. She's already pumped them up. So I'm going to just tell her to hold down the brake. Okay, hold the brake. Okay, fluid's coming out. Close it. Okay, pump them. Okay, hold. Okay. That'll do it for that one. Then we'll move to the other side here. Okay, pump. Hold. Okay. No air in that one. Now we're gonna go over to this other side. Pump. Hold. Okay, pump. Hold. Okay, pump them. Hold. Okay, there was a lot of air in that one. Pump them again. And hold. Okay, pump again. Hold. Okay, pump again. Hold. Okay, pump it again. Is it feeling better? Does it feel spongy? Like, does it still go to the floor? Okay, I think it's this one then. Okay, hold it. Pump. Hold. What the heck? It's not even coming out. Oh, dang. Okay. It was plugged. Okay. Pump it. Hold. Okay, pump. Hold. Okay, how does it feel? I ended up getting the brakes completely bled out, so they're actually working right now. The car still up on blocks. I am going to put the wheels back on it now and get it down the ground and go for a test drive, see if the car is runs good down the road. Anyway, I'm gonna get to it.
Left me in this mess, I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find
Well, that was a successful test drive. Afterwards, I popped the hood just to see underneath the hood, a little bit of an inspection on seals and whatnot after the motor ran warm. It actually got up to operating temperature. The radiator does need to be replaced, and I did notice that the oil valve cover seals, those are leaking pretty bad, dripping oil right on the hot exhaust. So that definitely has to be addressed. So yes, got the crack in the radiator right there, and I don't know if you can tell, but right there you can see the oil all on the hot exhaust down there. So that's something that I just need to address. I might, while I'm in that far replacing the valve cover seals, I may as well retorque the head bolts just to make sure that they're nice and snug. Yeah, successful test drive, guys. So she'll be on the road soon. Just need to figure out my lighting, wiring issues. Something is going on. I do not have any brake lights or running lights, so my marker lights don't work. Yeah, that's just another little thing to address, but she's coming along. Thank you for viewing my channel, and hope you guys all have a great day. I will introduce this car probably for our next video. There's a lot of work into this that I haven't really shown yet. Just have kind of kept it on secret, locked down, I don't know. But I have been working on this a lot lately too. Just haven't filmed any of the progress. So thank you guys. Thanks for viewing. Hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day and enjoy. I'm gonna have a wonderful weekend. We'll talk to you later. Bye.